Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of dark psychology, specifically how you can make someone miss you using some powerful psychological techniques. These aren't your average tips. We're talking about the kind of methods that get inside their mind and make them crave your presence like never before. If you're ready to unlock the secrets of influencing emotions and behavior, stick around, because what I'm about to share will blow your mind. Ever noticed how some people can disappear from your life and you instantly start missing them, while others, you barely even notice they're gone? Well, that's no coincidence. There's a hidden psychology at play. Today, I'm going to reveal the one powerful thing you need to do to make them miss you. It's not about playing games, it's about understanding human behavior at a deep psychological level. Are you ready? Let's get into it. Before we jump into the tactic, let's quickly break down why people miss others in the first place. It's all rooted in dopamine, the brain's feel-good chemical. When someone interacts with you and experiences positive emotions, their brain releases dopamine. This makes them associate you with pleasure and satisfaction. But here's the kicker. When you suddenly take that feeling away, their brain starts craving it more. This craving is what creates that sense of missing you. This phenomenon is known as intermittent reinforcement, and it's a key factor in making someone miss you. Now that you understand the brain chemistry behind it, here's where the dark psychology trick comes in: scarcity. You see, people value what they can't have. The more accessible and available you are, the less they feel the need to miss you. But when you create scarcity, when you pull back and become less available, you instantly become more desirable. Think about it. When you're constantly in someone's life, you're predictable. They know you're always going to be there. But if you start disappearing, not responding to messages right away, not always being available to hang out, you suddenly become a mystery. And it's that mystery that creates intrigue, which leads to missing you. Here's the actionable step you can take. Start doing what I like to call the disappearing act. It's simple but highly effective. Step 1. Gradual withdrawal. Instead of being constantly in contact, start pulling back slowly. Take a little longer to reply to texts. Be busy sometimes when they ask to meet up. This creates a psychological gap that they'll begin to notice. Step 2. Create uncertainty. Don't always explain yourself. Leave a little mystery. When they ask why you haven't been as available, you can simply say, "I've been focusing on some personal stuff," without going into too much detail. This will make them wonder more about you. Step 3. Occasional presence. Here's the key to make this work. You don't disappear completely. Every now and then, show up and remind them of the positive experiences they have with you. Drop a quick message or meet up briefly. This reintroduces that dopamine hit, making them miss you even more when you pull back again. Now you might be thinking, will this work in the long run? The answer is yes, but only if you use this technique wisely. Here's why. Scarcity works because it's subtle and unpredictable. You don't want to completely ghost someone or play games for too long. If you do, you'll come off as manipulative and they'll lose interest. The key is to create a rhythm. Give them your attention and then take it away. When they do get your attention, make sure it's meaningful and impactful. This contrast between your presence and absence is what makes people long for you. Here's the final layer to this technique, and it's one of the most powerful parts. Use your time away to improve yourself. When you're less available, people will naturally wonder what you're up to. But here's where you can turn the tables. When they see you again, make sure they notice you've grown, whether it's mentally, emotionally, or even physically. Why? Because people are attracted to growth. When they see you evolving, They'll not only miss you, they'll respect you and feel even more drawn to you. This combination of absence and self-improvement makes you truly irresistible. So there you have it. The secret to making someone miss you using dark psychology is simple. Create scarcity, add mystery, and show growth. But remember, use this power wisely. It's not about manipulation, it's about understanding human behavior and creating a healthy balance between connection and distance. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another powerful insight. And as always, share your thoughts in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay mysterious.